Very good morning, students. I am Niyati Kotecha, welcoming you all to the online classes of e-commerce. Today, we are going to start new unit number 4, recent trends of e-commerce. In that, we are going to learn various recent trends of e-commerce. And today, we are going to learn in this lecture that is the concept of m-commerce. Okay, so this is the course content of unit number 4. In that we have to learn m-commerce, introduction, growth and future, advantages and limitations, then introduction and management of e-enterprises, and last is ethical issues in the e-commerce. So basically this unit is very short. So today we are going to learn about the concept of m-commerce. Okay, so let us start with today's topic, that is m-commerce. Okay, m-commerce, that is very simple. M-commerce means mobile commerce through use of mobile devices, buying and selling of products and services through use of mobile devices is known as mobile commerce. Okay, so where you can buy or sell goods and services using mobile devices. Okay, so this is a very simple concept of m-commerce. Let us start in detail what is m-commerce. So m-commerce, that is mobile commerce, is the buying and selling of goods and services through wireless handheld device such as smartphones and tablets. Using of smartphones, tablets, you can buy or sell goods and services through use of mobile applications such as Amazon, such as Flipkart, such as Myntra. Okay, so through use of mobile devices, you can buy or sell goods and services online. Okay, so as a form of e-commerce, m-commerce enables users to access online shopping platforms without needing to use a ડેસ્કટોપ કોમ્પ્યુટર. એમાં ડેસ્કટોપ કોમ્પ્યુટરનો યુઝ કરવાની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ નથી. પહેલાં કેવું હતું કે ઓનલાઈન શોપિંગ લોકો જેની પાસે પીસી હોય કે લેપટોપ હોય એ જ કરી શકતા. દેર ઇઝ નો અવેલેબિલિટી ઓફ મોબાઈલ એપ્લિકેશન્સ, દેર ઇઝ નો અવેલેબિલિટી ઓફ સ્માર્ટફોન્સ. ઓકે, લોકો પાસે સ્માર્ટફોન્સ અવેલેબલ ના હતા, લોકો પાસે મોબાઈલ એપ્લિકેશન્સ અવેલેબલ ના હતી. ઓકે, એ ટાઈમે જો ઓનલાઈન શોપિંગ કરવી હોય, ઓનલાઈન બાઇંગ કરવું હોય, ઓનલાઈન સેલિંગ કરવું હોય, સો લોકોને પીસી ઓર લેપટોપનો યુઝ કરવો પડતો કે જેમાં એમેઝોનની વેબસાઇટ છે ઓપન થાય, એમાંથી એમેઝોનની વેબસાઇટ ઉપરથી બાય ઓર સેલ કરી શકીએ. Okay, so nowadays people are having smartphone with them, people are having internet access, people are having n number of mobile application through which people can buy or sell goods and services through use of only mobile. Now there is no need to use PC or laptops to buy or sell goods and services online. Okay, so examples of m-commerce include purchasing, mobile banking, virtual marketplace, apps like the Amazon mobile app or the digital wallet such as Apple Pay, Android Pay and Samsung Pay. Okay, there are n number of mobile applications available, n number of e-commerce platforms are available on the mobile devices. Okay, like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Meesho, where you can buy or sell the products and services, or digital wallet apps like Paytm, Amazon Pay, Google Pay, through which you can do payment online, and various banking applications like Yono SBI, ICICI Bank Pay, through which you can do direct banking, you can access direct banking services through use of mobile devices. Nowadays education is also, education applications, education mobile applications are also available. So nowadays you can access your education also online through use of mobile applications as you are doing. Okay, now you can purchase entertainment like movies. Okay, you can watch the movies on OTT platform. on mobile devices. So entire commercial activities that are available on mobile devices nowadays, entire commercial activities, okay, starting from buying groceries to purchasing or anything over the mobile. તમે મોબાઈલનો યુઝ કરીને there are n number of applications they are providing buying or selling of any products and services. You can book services like you can book hotels or you can book direct tickets of airplanes, buses or trains through use of mobiles. Okay, so the industries affected most by the m-commerce includes financial services which includes mobile banking when the customers use their handheld devices to access their accounts and pay their bills. Okay, nowadays people are having mobile banking application in their cell phones. They can use mobile application for banking services like for payment of bills, for accessing the accounts, bank accounts. then bank accounts માંથી કોઈ બીજાને ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન્સ કરવાનું છે, બીજા લોકોને પેમેન્ટ કરવાનું છે, મની રિસીવ કરવાના છે. ઓકે, that can be done by the using of mobile banking application. Nowadays people can apply for the loan from mobile applications. ઓકે, બેન્કિંગની મોબાઈલ એપ્લિકેશન્સ હોય. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ એસબીઆઈની એપ્લિકેશન છે યોનો એસબીઆઈ, થ્રુ વિચ નાવ ધ કસ્ટમર એસબીઆઈ કસ્ટમર કેન અપ્લાય ફોર ધ લોન ઓલ્સો. નાવ એસબીઆઈ કસ્ટમર can do fixed deposit in the mobile application also. Now there are no need to visit branch. Okay, now customer no need to visit branch for fixed deposit. Now customer need not to visit branch for account transfers. Now customer need not to visit branch for opening an accounts in the bank. Okay, every banking services are available online, available through mobile applications, as well as brokerage services in which stock quotes can be displayed and trading conducted from the same handheld devices. Nowadays various brokerage applications like Upstocks, through which you can buy or sell shares and debentures through mobile applications. Okay, then telecommunications, in which service charges, bill payment, account reviews can all be performed from the same handheld devices. Telecommunication services, payment of your telecommunication services, like for example if you are using Jio network, if you are using Airtel network, then you can directly pay your telecommunications bill online. Now you can directly pay for your mobile recharges. You can directly buy telecommunication services through use of Jio application, Airtel application, Vodafone application, etc. Services and retail, as consumers are given the ability to place and pay for the orders on the fly. Now any of the customer can book services online. Okay, services like hotel booking, ticket booking of bus, airplane, trains. Okay, salon booking, salon appointments are nowadays online. Then various education services, entertainment services can access through mobile applications. Okay, information services, which includes the delivery of financial news, sports figures and traffic updates to a single mobile device. You can use maps to find out the traffic also. Okay, so information services like reading the newspapers online, reading the news online. Then you can nowadays play a game. Tame suppose nowadays there are various applications that provides the information about live crickets, live sports. Okay, so these are the okay, every goods and services you can now purchase online through mobile applications, or you can sell your product. If you are having a business, then you can sell your products and services also on mobile, through mobile, okay, on all over the e-commerce platform through use of mobile only. Okay, so mobile device is the comprehensive. Mobile device is become all rounder for all the products and services, to buy all the products and services through single mobile applications. Okay, m-commerce smartphones have given us the freedom to do anything from anywhere. Smartphones have given us a freedom to do anything from anywhere. You can buy anything from anywhere through use of mobile devices, because mobile device can be carried away by you. તમે જ્યાં જાઓ ત્યાં તમે મોબાઈલ કેરી કરી શકો. ઓકે, પહેલાં કેવું હતું કે ઓનલી પીસી અને લેપટોપથી તમે ઓનલાઈન પરચેસ કરી શકતા, ઓનલાઈન સેલ કરી શકતા. એના માટે અલગથી મોબાઈલ એપ્લિકેશન્સ અવેલેબલ ના હતી. સપોઝ પહેલાં કેવું હતું, થોડા વર્ષો પહેલાં જ્યારે ઇન્ટરનેટની અવેલેબિલિટી નહોતી, મોબાઈલ એપ્લિકેશન્સની અવેલેબિલિટી નહોતી, સ્માર્ટફોન્સ અવેલેબલ ના હતા, ત્યારે જો તમારે એમેઝોન ઉપરથી કંઈક પ્રોડક્ટ કે સર્વિસ પરચેઝ કરવી છે, યુ હેવ ટુ યુઝ પીસી ઓર લેપટોપ ફોર ધ ઓનલાઈન પરચેઝિંગ ઓફ એની ઓફ ધ પ્રોડક્ટ્સ એન્ડ સર્વિસીસ ફ્રોમ એમેઝોન. ત્યારે એમેઝોનની વેબસાઇટ જ અવેલેબલ નહોતી. ત્યારે તો એમેઝોનની વેબસાઇટ જ અવેલેબલ હતી, ત્યારે એમેઝોનની મોબાઈલ એપ્લિકેશન અવેલેબલ ના હતી. લોકો મોબાઈલથી પરચેઝ ના કરી શકતા. જો તમારે એ ટાઈમે પરચેઝ કરવું હોય તો યુ હેવ ટુ હેવ અ પીસી ઓર લેપટોપ ફ્રોમ પરચેઝિંગ amazon.com. ઓકે, amazon.comની જ વેબસાઇટ હતી. એમેઝોન નામની એપ્લિકેશન્સ અવેલેબલ ના હતી. Okay, so nowadays people are having smartphones, people are having internet connectivity. They can order any of the products and services from anywhere. Like online food delivery apps are available, Zomato and Swiggy. You can order online food anytime from anywhere. Then daily deals like online shopping. Daily deals are available on Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. On the end of the season sales like Diwali sales. Okay, so these are the daily deals, 50% off on this midnight. Okay, you can purchase this product or services on 50% off. Okay, so there are various deals are available on mobile applications. તમારે કંઈક ને કંઈક નોટિફિકેશન આવતી જ હોય રોજે રોજ. if you are having e-commerce applications in your mobile like Amazon or Flipkart, એમાં daily deals available હોય કોઈ પણ products and services માટે. Then third one is travel booking. You can book travel tickets online, bus, train, airplane. Then fourth one is grocery shopping is also available on mobile devices. Then fifth one is on demand services like Urban Clap is providing salon appointment services. Then Urban Clap is providing various like plumber, if you are needing the plumber services in your house, plumbering services, so that is also available online. Okay, on demand services. Okay, AC repairing services, refrigerator repairing services is available on Urban Clap. Okay, then sixth one is cab booking. You can book the cab online. You can access the services of cab through by booking the cab online. Then seventh one is education services, as you are learning through your mobile devices, your mobile applications. Okay, Vedantu, Byju's or Pocket Study app, you are learning through this application, mobile applications. Then eighth one is mobile banking. You can use mobile banking applications like your bank specific bank applications like Yono SBI. Then digital wallets like Paytm, Google Pay. Okay, digital wallets like Paytm, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, Phone Pay, through which you can directly pay your bills through using of your mobile digital wallets. Now you need not to carry physical wallets, or now you need not to carry purse with you. All you have is to carry mobile device through which you can do directly payment. Then 10th one is online healthcare services is also available nowadays. You can book appointment for vaccination through mobile. Okay, CoWIN application. Then 11th one is entertainment, live streaming of cricket matches and TV shows on OTT platform like Disney Plus, Hotstar, Z5 application, Voot application, through which uh, you can watch live cricket, streaming of live cricket matches and TV shows, or even films nowadays. Okay, so these are the use of m-commerce. This is known as m-commerce, mobile commerce. Through mobile application, through mobile devices, you can access all commercial activities. Okay, so here is the definition of m-commerce. M-commerce is the use of mobile devices to communicate, inform, transact and entertain using text and data via a connection to a public and private networks. Through use of mobile devices. Mobile device તમારી પાસે હોય એમાં કોઈ પણ e-commerce પ્લેટફોર્મની એપ્લિકેશન્સ અવેલેબલ હોય, digital wallets are available, then mobile banking applications are available, entertainment applications are available, then education applications are available, grocery shoppings are available. Okay, then travel booking applications are available. Okay, so you can access all the mobile application. You can access every commercial activities through your mobile device connected to the internet, connected to a private or public network. Public network means Wi-Fi. વાઈફાઈથી કનેક્ટ કરીને તમે આ બધી મોબાઈલ એપ્લિકેશનનો યુઝ કરીને તમે કોમર્શિયલ એક્ટિવિટીઝ કરી શકો. યુ કેન બાય ઓર સેલ. કોમર્શિયલ એક્ટિવિટીઝનો મિનિંગ થાય બાઇંગ ઓર સેલિંગ. યુ કેન બાય products and services online through mobile applications, and you can sell also if you are having a business and if you are selling various products or services, you can sell it online through use of mobile devices, through use of mobile applications. Okay, so this is known as m-commerce. Here is some points of growth and future of m-commerce. M-commerce is affordable. M-commerce is the internet on mobile that provides mobility, and mobile banking and payment is also done through mobile and other services. So let us understand in detail. First one is m-commerce is affordable. When it comes to the shopping from internet, doing it on mobile is much more convenient and affordable than through a computer system. પહેલાં જ્યારે સ્માર્ટફોન્સ અવેલેબલ ના હતા ત્યારે લોકોને જો ઓનલાઈન શોપિંગ કરવી હોય તો એ પીસી ઓર લેપટોપનો યુઝ કરતા, એ વેબસાઇટમાંથી જઈને શોપિંગ કરતા, એમેઝોનની વેબસાઇટ ઉપર જોઈને. Nowadays people are having smartphones, people are having mobile application of Amazon. They can do online shopping from anywhere. They are not need to have a personal computer or a laptop for that. All you need to have is smartphone. Okay, તમારી પાસે ખાલી સ્માર્ટફોન હોય, ઇન્ટરનેટ કનેક્ટિવિટી હોય, that's it. You can do online shopping from anywhere. So m-commerce attracts very little infrastructure, and purchasing a mobile phone is inexpensive than buying a computer to purchase product online. હવે લોકોને પીસી કે લેપટોપ બાય કરવાની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ નથી ઓનલાઈન શોપિંગ માટે. લોકો પાસે સ્માર્ટફોન અવેલેબલ હોય, that is all. Okay, સ્માર્ટફોન ઉપરથી તમે ઓનલાઈન શોપિંગ કરી શકો, or you can buy any of the products and services from mobile applications, from smartphone also. ઓકે, સો સ્માર્ટફોન પરચેસ કરવો એ અત્યારના જે ટાઈમમાં ઇનએક્સપેન્સિવ. દેટ મીન્સ હવે તો બધા પાસે સ્માર્ટફોન્સ હોય છે. ઇવન સ્માર્ટફોન ઇઝ ધ વેરી મચ નીડેડ નાવડેઝ. સ્માર્ટફોન વગર તો આપણું કામ ના થાય. Okay, so it is also affordable. Second one is internet on mobile. Previously, in order to shop online, one needs it was accessible only through telephone lines or wires. However, due to invention of wireless technology, internet can be accessed from any mobile devices. પહેલાં જ્યારે લોકો પાસે સ્માર્ટફોન ન હતા કે કોઈ ઇન્ટરનેટ કનેક્ટિવિટી ના હતી, પહેલાં સ્માર્ટફોન્સ પછી ધીમે ધીમે આવ્યા, ત્યારે પછી ઇન્ટરનેટનું પેનેટ્રેશન એટલું બધું ના હતું. ઓકે, લોકો પાસે એટલું ઇન્ટરનેટનું ડેટા પેક અવેલેબલ ના હતું. સ્માર્ટફોન અવેલેબલ હતા પણ ઇન્ટરનેટનું ડેટા પેક અવેલેબલ ના હતું, એટલું પેનેટ્રેશન ના હતું. ઓકે, સો પહેલાં લોકો પીસી ઓર કોમ્પ્યુટરનો યુઝ કરતા ફોર ઓનલાઈન શોપિંગ. હવે પીસી અને કોમ્પ્યુટરમાં ઇન્ટરનેટની કનેક્ટિવિટી માટે ડોંગલ્સ આવતા ઓર વાયર્સ. યુ હેવ ટુ પરચેઝ સચ ટેલિકોમ્યુનિકેશન સર્વિસીસ ફોર ઇન્ટરનેટ. બ્રોડબેન્ડ તમારે પરચેઝ કરવા પડતા ફ્રોમ શોપિંગ. તમારે જો ઓનલાઈન શોપિંગ કરવી હોય કે કંઈ ઇન્ટરનેટનો યુઝ કરવો હોય પીસી ઓર લેપટોપમાં, તો હવે તો સ્માર્ટફોનમાં બધી ફેસિલિટી અવેલેબલ છે. ઓકે, વી આર accessing internet from anywhere. Wireless technology, mobile data pack or Wi-Fi. Through use of mobile data pack and Wi-Fi, you can access internet from anywhere. Today, most of the people are accessing and conducting the operations online. A person does not handle or have a station at the particular place. He or she can move around and internet on their mobile phones, and thus becomes easier to shopping them, easier for them. Well, okay, લોકો પાસે હવે સ્માર્ટફોન છે, ઇન્ટરનેટ અવેલેબિલિટી છે, વાયરલેસ ઇન્ટરનેટ અવેલેબિલિટી છે. સો નાવ people can do online shopping from anywhere. Now people can buy or sell products and services from anywhere. Okay. Third one is mobility. One of the unique features that mobile phone offers is the mobility. Mobility means તમે સ્માર્ટફોનને લઈને ગમે ત્યાં જઈ શકો. You can order from anywhere, anytime. You can do online shopping from anywhere, anytime. People can carry it anywhere, anytime. That therefore a person can access internet and conduct transaction anytime, whenever he is free or it is at any place. તમે ક્યાંય સપોઝ બહાર ફરવા જાઓ છો, તમારી પાસે વોલેટ અવેલેબલ નથી, need not to worry. You are having smartphone, you are having internet, you are having digital wallet applications that is connected with your bank account. You are ready to go. You can do payment from anytime. Okay, so smartphone, internet connection, mobile commerce that provides mobility. That means કોઈ પણ પર્સન ગમે ત્યાં જાય ત્યાંથી એ મોબાઈલ ડિવાઇસીસથી કોમર્શિયલ એક્ટિવિટીઝને એક્સેસ કરી શકે. Fourth one is mobile banking and payment. There has been a great revolution in the banking technology. Due to invention of the internet and mobile phones, modern day bankers offer services which can be synchronized with the mobile phones that people carry. Nowadays, every bank provides their own mobile application to access every banking services. Like તમારે સપોઝ બેંકમાં એકાઉન્ટ ઓપન કરાવવું છે. Now you not to visit any of the branch, need not to visit any of the bank branch. You can open bank account from mobile devices, from mobile applications. Okay, એકાઉન્ટ ઓપન કરાવવું છે, એકાઉન્ટમાં તમારી બેલેન્સ ચેક કરવી છે, ફિક્સ ડિપોઝિટ કરાવવી છે, લોન માટે અપ્લાય કરવું છે. ઓકે, તમારે one account to another account rupees transfer કરવા છે. That all banking services can do through mobile applications. Okay, suppose તમારે business છે, તમારે RTGS, NEFT કરવું છે, that you can also do online. Okay, through use of mobile banking applications. 24/7 all the banking services is available on the mobile applications. The buyer or consumer can make payment from the mobile application of their bank to various parties and thus conduct business with the ease. Suppose you are having business, તમારે એક બિઝનેસ છે, તો તમે બધા ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન્સ ઓનલાઈન કરી શકો છો with mobile banking application. Okay, from anywhere, anytime, ગમે ત્યારે. because all the banking services are now available 24 by 7 on your mobile device. Fifth one is other services. Apart from the above mentioned utilities, m-commerce is also helpful in the various other ways such as hotel and movie ticket booking, transportation booking like Redbus, streaming live videos, audios, which makes it even compatible to the consumers for performing their routine task. Routine taskમાં જે કાંઈ સર્વિસીસની અવેલેબિલિટીની જરૂરિયાત હોય, like you can book appointment for salon also. You can book appointment for beauty parlors. You can watch your favorite shows anytime, anywhere. That is entertainment. You can book online tickets for hotels, or you can book online tickets for your bus, train, and airplane services. Okay, so these are the services that is available online or on mobile applications, on your mobile devices. ઓકે, એના માટે તમારે પીસી કે લેપટોપ કે કોમ્પ્યુટર હોવાની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ નથી. તમારી હાથમાં સ્માર્ટફોન અવેલેબલ છે, that is enough. Okay, so that's it for today. I would like to end up this session with motivation, that is, your potential is endless. Use your potential. Thank you so much, students. Have a great day.